Artificial intelligence, or AI as most people call it, has become one of the most controversial topics in our world today. Some people believe it's just another science fiction fantasy that will soon be forgotten. However, experts like Sundar Pichai, the chief executive officer of Alphabet, have great expectations for the technology. Artificial intelligence will have a more profound impact on humanity than fire, electricity, and the internet, Pichai said recently. This ultimately means a lot more AI trends will spring up going forward, and you sure don't want to be left behind. Join us in today's video as we crack the code to reveal the top artificial intelligence's trends. From AI-based creative art systems to language modeling platforms and the much-discussed virtual planet called Metaverse, the AI trends in this video will wow you. Without further delay, let's jump right into the nitty-gritty of things. The augmented workforce. The fear of robots and machines taking our jobs will never go away. In fact, many individuals believe that this impending paradigm shift is one that cannot be avoided. However, it is crucial to note that there will always be a need for human workers in the banking hall, at the shopping mall, and even in the factories. And this applies to any business you can think of. According to research, artificial intelligence will eliminate 85 million jobs by 2025. However, it will also create 97 million new jobs within the same period. So we know that regardless of whatever happens, humans will always be important in the scheme of things. And this right here is where the augmented workforce comes to play. But what exactly is an augmented workforce? And why is it important? An augmented workforce is a seamless collaboration between human employees and smart technologies to enhance productivity and efficiency in a work environment. It sounds quite futuristic, but some companies are already adopting this scheme. According to reports, 93% of manufacturing companies agree that AI is key to driving growth and innovation within the sector. 9 out of 10 leading businesses have invested in AI technologies, and experts say artificial intelligence is expected to contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Although this would require a change of approach by organizations and workers alike, rather than pursuing total automation, companies should fortify their workforce by adopting digital augmentation. On the other hand, employees should be more open to the possibility of collaborating with robots. If you ask us, we think you should get a robot friend today, as it will help you prepare for the inevitable future. Optimized language modeling. Language modeling is a process that facilitates communication between machines and humans. Over time, they've become very intelligent, so much that they can literally convert natural human languages into computer codes. Other use cases for language modeling systems include image captioning, text summarization, and text or voice recognition. Recently, researchers conducted a trial for Aristo, a language modeling system that can read, write, and answer science questions. The GPU-accelerated system was able to answer 90% of the questions in an 8th grade New York Region Science exam, beating the 83% high score recorded by students. Currently, the OpenAI GPT-3 is the world's most advanced language model ever built, with 175 billion parameters for variables and data points. However, the San Francisco-based company has plans to launch a more intelligent language modeling system called GPT-4 sometime soon. According to reports, it will feature up to 100 trillion parameters, meaning it will be 500 times better than the current GPT-3 system and nearly 2 times better than the 540 billion parameters offered by Google's Pathways language model solution. To gain some perspective, the GPT-4 language modeling system will be able to start and hold human-like conversations with people without any problems. AI powering cybersecurity systems. The World Economic Forum claims cyber attacks are potentially as dangerous to our society as terrorism. And with the influx of more machines and tech gadgets, we are increasingly becoming prone to cyber attacks. And as these attacks continue to surge, experts are constantly in search of effective solutions that will quickly identify and eliminate threats. So far, artificial intelligence is proving to be that solution. It can easily tackle this menace with the help of data and intelligence gathered from several blogs, news, and research papers. And just in case you're still skeptical, experts believe that AI systems are 80 to 93% more efficient in tackling cyber attacks than human solutions. If you have reached this far in the video, we would like to give you a huge thanks. You can extend your support by subscribing to the channel and turning that notification bell on so you don't miss any of the content we upload. Comment down below "I subbed" for your chance to be entered into our monthly shout-out giveaway. AI and the Metaverse. The Metaverse has gained huge traction since Mark Zuckerberg decided to enter the space by rebranding Facebook as Meta. But many more territories and potentials within this augmented reality world still remain untapped, but not anymore, because AI is about to change everything. We don't just want AI models that understand language, images, and videos. We want AI models that understand the entire world around us. And with the advent of the metaverse, we have a unique challenge and a unique opportunity to make that happen. Co-managing director of Facebook AI Research, Jerome Pezzenti, said, "Furthermore, AI will be used to combine big data and machine learning to automate IT operations within the metaverse. Other possible use cases for AI within the metaverse include creating enhanced smart contracts and an inclusive user interface, low-code and no-code AI. The tech world is growing tremendously, but the workforce needed to support this huge growth is inadequate. Currently, there's a scarcity of skilled programmers and AI engineers to create tools and algorithms needed to facilitate the adoption of technology on a global stage. But AI-powered no-code and low-code solutions have stepped up a few times to make up for the scarcity of workers within the industry, and it's slowly becoming a trend. Essentially, they enable people with little or no technical knowledge to build accurate prediction models using a visual, code-free, and simple interface. This solution is fast, cheap, and takes the stress off the already lean tech workforce. Autonomous vehicles. Every year, around 1.3 million people lose their lives in road accidents, with over 91% caused by human error. Autonomous vehicles are attempting to curb this problem by steering human drivers out of active service, but they will be relying a lot on artificial intelligence to get this done. AI is seen as a critical technology that will power autonomous vehicles ranging from cars to boats and aircraft. More than any other gadgets, autonomous vehicles are expected to feature more lines of code. According to the current estimate, autonomous cars, such as the Tesla Model Y or Kia EV6, will need about 300 million lines of code and 1 terabyte of storage to function. All these vehicles require a bandwidth of more than 1 terabyte per second to enhance the performance of self-driving vehicles. At the moment, there's only one technology on Earth that can make that happen. It's none other than AI. The world's leading electric automaker, Tesla, hopes to demonstrate the full autonomous capability of its vehicles this year. Other competitors like GM, Ford, and many other companies are supposed to follow through with a series of tests. Creative AI. The 22nd century still seems far away, but unimaginable things are happening already. Nowadays, AI systems are used to create images, arts, music, poetry, animations, video games, etc. However, it doesn't necessarily take away the need for graphic designers. Google's Pathways language modeling scaling with 540 billion parameters and incoming GPT-4, the boundaries of creative AI are set to be pushed even further. Check out some of the results churned out by the Google Pathway AI system, like this one over here, a high-contrast portrait of a very happy fuzzy panda dressed as a chef in a high-end kitchen making dough. There's a painting of flowers on the wall behind him. Going forward, AI will undoubtedly change everything about us from the way we live to the way we work and think. Human errors will be reduced significantly across several industries, but it will come at a cost. For one, AI systems are quite expensive. The average person might not be able to afford it, meaning only a few privileged people might have access to all the benefits attached to the AI trends we just mentioned. Also, there are serious concerns about ethics, particularly in a scenario where the technology gets into the wrong hands. There will be a regulatory body to oversee the industry. There are no official confirmations yet, but we like to think so. What do you make of these artificial intelligence trends? And how will it change our lives? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section down below. Be sure to check out this video over here.